2012 HP motherboard came out of a trash picked all-in-one desktop with a smash screen and better hard drive. My curiosity has me wondering though if I can get it going and make something cool out of it. Also, I have a broken PS3 Slim that won't turn on for more than 3 seconds, and I covered all the basic diagnostics. Maybe if we combine the two, it just might make something cool. What do you think? It really takes some tinkering for me to see if this will even work. Like, will it fit? Can I get some kind of graphics to work? How can I keep it cool? And on and on and on. I replaced a dual-core i3 that was in here with an i5-3470, and that was not on the upgrade sheet because it goes beyond the 65-watt threshold. And since I don't have an MXM graphics card, I'm using my GT 1030 with the Beast external graphics. Just a review, I harvested parts out of a broken one of these. I had no use for it, nor the desire to hunt down another screen. I then met Larry Bird, not the Boston Celtics Larry Bird, but the HP All-in-One motherboard Bird. Bird's word, you better get your curd. I don't know what you heard. Oh my gosh, this is quite absurd, and I really didn't even know where I was going with this. Anywho, moving on. For graphics, I mentioned I'm using the Beast eGPU that is attached to the mini PCIe slot and powered by a 12-volt rechargeable power bank I have. And I know what you're thinking. That's not enough power for a graphics card. Play any kind of games? But hey, we'll see. Back to the broken PS3. I've taken all the components out to review or repair at a later time. As for the case, well, I'm using a hole saw to fit the CPU cooler. As for this is a PS3 Slim. Not much room inside for the dark flash cooler I chose. That logo cutout isn't as easy as I thought, and I wish I had another shot at it, but it's passable, I think. Well, the unbelievable tech prices right now in the present time, and upgrades like this SSD and RAM are costly, so when my Instagram buddy offers up a donation, well, I happily accept and I show my appreciation. So if you're ever in the Detroit area and need some awesome landscaping, give this guy a try. A link will be in the description if you're interested. This is a King Shark SATA 3 mSATA 250 gig internal solid state drive, and that should just work fine and dandy for the slimmed down Windows 10 Spectre edition and some games. This has got a nice clean little look to it, doesn't it? 16 gigabytes sure beats the 4 gigabytes RAM that was in here, and the G-Skill 1600 were not cheap, but they were very needed. G-Skill reviews! Okay, where was I? Oh, painting. Yeah, the shell, it must be sanded, smooth, and clean, and wait for it to dry, or you'll have to do this all over again, like I did. Oh man, I'm going backwards now. But hey, what about the RGB lights? Yes, my first thought was using the cheap headphone stand for the lights, front USB, and the plastic itself for the light deflector. It's a great idea and worked, although I want a remote for the lights and I picked up some rainbow RGB chasing strips cheap. I scrapped the idea, but will work great on a future project. So if you don't mind tinkering around with broken electronics and leftover parts, cutting, trimming, sanding, painting, plastic, then a DIY mod like this might be for you. I only wish I had a plan to for you to follow. However, I'm bad at math and measuring and stuff, and can only eyeball up stuff. I also know you can do a better job, and I'm tickled to see your very own creations. Just perhaps take a peek at what I've done so far, eh? No, don't go anywhere. This ain't the end. It's coming up. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If so, please do share it. I appreciate that. 130 plus frames on Valorant. Jeesh. It's crazy to think that this thing runs off a 90-watt laptop charger, especially when the CPU is 77 watts alone. Oh well, it runs cool, it runs quick. I like it. I hope you do. So you and Styles were tinkering around with your PS3 one day.